सो हेलो एवरीवन, का सब अच्छा होगा। चैनल पे नए होता जो सब्सक्राइब करो। ये वाली ब्लॉग काफ़ी टाइम बाद आ रही है। आज कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। क्या इंटरेस्टिंग है, आज हम निकलने वाले हैं अरुणाचल पासीघाट सिरकी वाटरफॉल तक हम निकलने वाले हैं। पूरी ब्लॉग आप लोग बात करो, ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है आज। तो निकलता हूँ, आप लोग पेंट तक बने तभी होता है जो ही निकलेंगे। साथ में हम लोग का मेरे भाई मेरे दोस्त सब कुछ अब है, लेकिन और एक कुछ खास नहीं है। और मैं तो निकल चाह रहा हूँ, टाइम काफ़ी हो चुका है, तभी निकलता हूँ। मिलते हैं ब्लॉग में, आप लोग मेरा ब्लॉग काफ़ी लेट आता है क्योंकि मुझे ब्लॉगिंग का उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता, इसलिए मेरा ब्लॉग लेट आता है। कोई नहीं, आज निकलते हैं हम लोग और मिलते हैं ब्लॉग में। आप लोग तक बात।
Wow, yeah, this shit working. Turn it up ahead. Wow. Hill game shit, nigga. You only get better with time. She still want me hit it again. She call me hollering at her friend, but I can't lie, they both attend. This beginning of the end was in the streets, don't recommend. My favorite thing to do is spend the lawyer 20 to defend. You die out here trying to pretend. They try to hit but with intent. It was still worth every cent. It's 9 a.m. and I'm still bent. And her call, she trying to vent. Brand new glass scrape off the vent. She trying to live under my skin. I hit, then I leave with a grin. I probably only last a minute, but I hit, so I still win. Yeah, shorty super fish, she lit the nut off of her chin. Yeah, it's gon' cost 100K to get bro out the pin. How many times you gon' ask God to forgive your sins? Tryna fuck them both, don't really care if that's your twin. So can I hit it again? Tryna add a little spice, of course you can't bring your friend. And not people you around, those the ones you defend. Till you need them, they don't answer, so that be the new trend.
हम भी आ जाएगा मरने चल
static, he don't really wanna fight. Whole lot of hype, you gon' do it for the neck. Deep up in that water, tell that boy to hold his breath. I ain't really for the action, cut the check. She still want me hit it again. She call me hollering at her friend, but I can't lie, they both attend. This beginning of the end was in the streets, don't recommend. My favorite thing to do is spend the lawyer 20 to defend. You die out here trying to pretend.
I've been on the wave, it's been on the way. I let Kiki get away, can't let your feet get away. I'm rocking Chichi today, got your bunch in my body. So Remo go shoddy, and he keep that shoddy, that Ricky. Yeah, he keep that blicky. Finna catch me a lick licky, finna catch me a lick licky. Keep it bad bitch like Nicki, yeah. And I keep a bad bitch like Nicki, yeah. Nicki, yeah. Put that on my kids, she wanna catch my kids. If this shit gets serious, she might be my bitch. I don't never switch, I don't get confused. She told me I'm the bomb, I can be the fuse. Tell me what you want. Yeah, I'm with my niggas and they finna dawn. Yeah, I say you might not live to see sign. I just hope my niggas doing well.
तो आज के व्लॉग यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में। लव यू।